Hello everyone, we're now at the 2019 Minerva graduation exhibition. I'm buzzing because I'm very excited to see what they're making, so let's just go. Let's just see what they're doing. So let's just go through all of them and I'll try to explain to you what this is all about. Oh my god, this is really cool. I like all the 3D, I like all the animation, the characters, and it's really awesome though. I don't know how to explain this. This is cats? I kind of liked it though. But this is actually product designing at its finest, and that's what I like about it. Just experimenting with like a product and then seeing what it comes out of. I remember this girl, I saw her making this though. Each one of them are based off a story or from her own experience, because she was away for her partner for some time. Oh, dingo. Try again. Nope, dingo. I was never a good big ping pong player. You can just edit this and put like 1 eternity later. Yay! Now it went in. Oh god. Oh my god. That was intense. This is kind of like, this is reminding me like Terminator, you know, like when the time he had to come out of the, what was it again? Like a liquid like thing, like it really looks like that. Awesome. That's when I like it though, like even like a final project could be like a rap song. Actually, you think you're seeing like stripes, but then you see something else. I mean, there's actually something more happening to this. So, trees in a jungle, a tropical jungle, probably. A doll of a woman with huge chests. I have no idea. This is actually somebody that you know is a good artist because she can go really into detail and actually get the colors needed. Sometimes an art piece could be just, you know, materials we have at home and things like that. Oh, this is very nice. It's very nice. This I can understand. This is really nice. So anyway guys, this is the exhibition for today. I mean, there's a lot of other works of other people. If you want to go through it, I would suggest you to come here to Academy. Look at all these amazing stuff these people have made. I just said some of the surface. You never know until you actually talk to the creators. So come here, come see. It's a really cool place. I'm very excited I came here. So yeah, until the next time.